about how to sign up for Adobe Spark, which you'll need to do for your assignment due on Wednesday. So if you go to our Moodle page, you will see there is a folder down here that says sign up. Go ahead and click on this link. We'll need to sign up for an account if you don't have one already. So click start now, and you'll be able to choose how you want to sign up. I'm just going to say continue with Google. You could definitely use your Lee email account, and if we're able to get our education account set up, then it actually would make sense for you to use your Lee email account. I'm going to continue with Google just for ease at the moment, and I am going to use my Google account that's attached to my Lee University account. So here I'm giving it permission to do these things. I'm going to allow it, and now it's going to do an email. I'll have to verify that. Now I'm not going to do that right now, but just remember that when you do that, only sign up for the free account. Don't pay anything for it. You absolutely do not need to pay for it in this class. Once you signed up for account, then go ahead and watch the tutorial for how to use it, and then you can create your no-name introduction. This is the assignment here, and you'll be putting your assignment in Moodle and Google Classroom. Hope that helps.